The Mavic 4 Pro is one of the most highly anticipated drones of the moment, and as new leaks continue to emerge, expectations keep rising among enthusiasts and professionals in the field who are eager to see what exciting new features this latest version of DJI's professional series will bring. So in this video, we'll summarize all the leaked information available so far, including the release date, models, prices, specifications, and the latest news. Let's start with the most anticipated piece of information, the official release date. At the end of last year, a significant leak emerged, highlighting the probable launch month of the Mavic 4 and generating great excitement among enthusiasts. More recently, a new post surfaced, providing even more details and revealing the exact launch date, Thursday, April 24th. However, it was also revealed that a week earlier, on April 17th, a teaser will be released, which will likely be a short promotional video designed to generate even more curiosity and interest ahead of the Mavic 4 launch. Another important piece of information that appeared in the same post was the pricing. The Mavic 4 Pro will be sold in 3 different kits. Although no images have been released yet, based on the description, we can predict that the basic kit will include the following items. The Mavic 4 Pro will come with 1 battery, a camera protector, a standard charger, 2 spare propellers, and the RC2 controller. This kit will be sold for $2,250, excluding taxes. The Fly More combo kit will include all the previous items but will also come with a carrying bag, 2 extra batteries, a smart charger, and 8 additional spare propellers. This combo will be sold for $3,200, excluding taxes. There will also be a new combo called the Mavic 4 Pro Creator, which is expected to include all the items from the Fly More combo, but with the upgraded RC2 Pro controller. This kit will be sold for $4,400. Speaking of controllers, let's take a look at what we know so far. This new controller has already appeared in some leaks, and it will be significantly larger, featuring a 7-inch high brightness screen and a foldable support for easier transport. It will also use the new O4 Plus transmission system, which promises an impressive 40 kilometers range. Actually, this drone will have infinite range, considering it will also feature a built-in compartment for installing a 4G module. This embedded compartment has become a standard in DJI's larger drones, and according to recent leaks, we can see that the Mavic 4 has a dedicated structure to accommodate this device. However, in this case, it will be positioned in a completely new location, on the underside of the drone. Another recent leak that caught everyone's attention was this photo comparing the size of the Mavic 3 and Mavic 4. This is the first time both drones have appeared side by side, and it's clear that the Mavic 4 is significantly larger in every aspect. In the image, they are aligned by the rear, and you can see that the Mavic 3's camera ends exactly where the Mavic 4's camera begins. It's also noticeable that the arm length and propeller size are bigger. Speaking of which, there have been some specific leaks about the propellers. They feature a distinct central finish, though it's unclear whether this is part of a new attachment system or simply a design detail. It's also noticeable that they are slightly larger, wider, and have a different aerodynamic profile, possibly designed to reduce noise and provide better lift for improved flight efficiency. This adjustment was necessary because, in addition to the larger size, the weight of the drone has also increased. The Mavic 3 weighed 958 grams, while the Mavic 4 will weigh 1,045 grams, which still keeps it within the same medium drone category, according to the regulations of some countries. This additional weight is due to the new features integrated into the Mavic 4. To power all these upgrades, it will come with a more powerful battery. The Mavic 3 had a 77 watts battery, which provided a flight time of 43 minutes, but the Mavic 4 will feature a 95 watts battery, offering a 52-minute flight time. To charge this new battery, the Mavic 4 will also include a more powerful 240 watts charger, compared to the 100 watts charger that came with the Mavic 3. Now let's talk about the most standout and impressive feature of this drone, the camera. As soon as the first leaks about the Mavic 4 appeared, they revealed a bold new concept from DJI, prioritizing the camera above all else, even if it affects the aesthetics. This new trend became even more evident with the implementation of the large spherical camera that occupies the entire front of the drone. This design was necessary to allow the camera to move freely within a much wider angular range compared to the previous model. This concept has been further confirmed by recent leaked data, which revealed that there is a 360 degrees rotation marking for the camera's movement along its own axis. The upward and downward movements are also expected to be significantly enhanced, as the new positioning of the camera at the front of the drone theoretically allows for greater inclinations beyond 90 degrees, without any parts of the drone appearing in the shot. All the leaks indicate that the Mavic 4 will feature 3 cameras, with the main one being a Hasselblad wide-angle camera with a 28mm lens and a 4/3 inch sensor. This camera will be capable of recording 6K video at 60 FPS and taking 100 MP photos. It will also come with an electronic ND filter built in, with gradation from 4 to 64 levels, a dual native ISO D-Log, and an impressive 14-stop dynamic range. The second camera is a 70mm medium telephoto lens, offering 3x optical zoom and featuring a 1/1.3 inch sensor with a 48 megapixel resolution. The third camera will be a 168mm long telephoto lens, providing 7x optical zoom and 28x hybrid zoom, with a 1/2 inch sensor and a 12 megapixel resolution. As we can see, the telephoto cameras will be almost identical to those on the Mavic 3, with the same specifications for the medium telephoto lens and only minor changes to the long telephoto lens. Therefore, the biggest innovation is in the Hasselblad main camera, which, despite keeping the same sensor size, has received a significant resolution boost and several new advanced features. Another very recent leak suggests that the electronic ND filter will be sold separately as an optional accessory. If this is confirmed, it will likely be included only in the most expensive combo, the Creator Kit. Its price has already been revealed, $220, which means the cheaper kits will probably come without the front camera cover, since in theory, the cover itself functions as the ND filter. This large camera, which takes up the entire front of the drone, brought several benefits but also introduced some challenges, such as where to place the front-facing obstacle avoidance sensors or even a potential new LiDAR sensor. The most natural solution would have been to follow the design trend seen in the Air 3S, keeping the protruding front section of the drone. This would have resulted in a more harmonious appearance, resembling the current Mavic 3. However, with this radical design shift, the front of the drone was left without space for these essential components. As a result, DJI's engineers had to get highly creative in finding alternative solutions to accommodate these sensors effectively. This adjustment became evident in the very first leaks, where we can clearly see the new arrangement of the optical obstacle avoidance sensors. They were ingeniously repositioned to maintain full 360 degrees coverage, ensuring that the drone can detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. But will the Mavic 4 have a LiDAR sensor? This question remained a mystery for months. Despite the numerous leaked images, none of them showed any clear evidence of a LiDAR sensor. This raised concerns, as it would be unacceptable for a drone of this caliber to lack such an advanced feature. After the launch of the Air 3S, this type of system has become almost mandatory in DJI's new drones. It was a huge success, even winning over the most skeptical users with its new capabilities, allowing the drone to navigate complex environments and fly in covered areas, even without relying on GPS signals. With the launch of the Flip, this trend was confirmed. Even with a simpler system, it has proven highly useful. Regardless of the sensor, most of the work is handled by powerful AI-driven processing, which has advanced significantly in new generation drones. A clear example is the small NEO, which lacks dedicated obstacle sensors yet can analyze images from its own camera. With AI algorithms, it identifies objects, determining whether they are obstacles to avoid or targets to track. But in this image, we can see new details, including the most important one, highlighted by this red circle. It clearly shows what appears to be a sensor display on the front of one of the arms. The accompanying text states that it is some kind of measurement system and raises an important question. Could it be a sensor similar to the one in the Air 3S, or is it just an infrared system? In my opinion, this is definitely a LiDAR sensor. Logically, it would be a huge mistake for DJI to equip the Air 3S with a next-generation LiDAR sensor, but then use an inferior sensor on the Mavic 4, which is a high-end, premium drone with a much higher price tag. After researching a lot, I finally found the hidden LiDAR sensor in one of the first leaks. In that video of the crashed Mavic 4, it appears for a few seconds, but you can clearly see the LiDAR sensor on the right arm of the drone. I edited the image, and it became easier to see the sensor up close. It also appears very discreetly in this leak that was published in December. However, it would have been hard to notice due to the low image quality. But now that we know where the LiDAR sensor is, I improved the quality of this photo, and it became easier to spot the protrusion of the sensor. I was even able to notice that the camera is missing its front cover, where the Hasselblad inscription is located. And this recent leak is further proof that a LiDAR sensor exists, as it can be seen flashing on this arm of the drone. With all these improvements, the Mavic 4 has everything to be a powerful and impressive drone, capable of meeting the needs of even the most demanding professionals. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting more updates soon. Thanks for watching.